In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can look at your deleted messages on your Instagram account. So what we're going to do is go into Instagram. Once you're logged into your Instagram, you want to head over to your page, click on the three icons on the top right corner, and then you want to go find your activity. Once in your activity, you want to scroll down to find what says download your information. It should be at the very bottom. It says download a copy of the information you shared on Instagram. So basically Instagram, what Instagram does is that Instagram saves like a copy of your entire data on your Instagram account. So what you want to do is click on that. And what you want to do is type in your Gmail. So now Instagram is going to send a copy of your data onto this Gmail account. And then now just enter the password for your Instagram account. Click on next. And then so now the download has been requested, and once it's been downloaded, you just go into your Gmail, and then you can find all the deleted messages that you've sent on your Instagram account. So I hope that helps.